Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Trent Parker with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, and this is your planning briefing for Sunday, January 26th, 2025. So, a couple key points here. Obviously, pretty calm over the next several days. It's going to be pretty cold and stable all the way through most of this coming week. So, that means we're going to start to build up some of that worsening air quality in the lower levels of the atmosphere, especially below some of those inverted layers. And we've got a much more active weather pattern, it looks like, to start up next weekend. And that might even roll through the first couple of days of that next week as well. So here's the weather threat matrix here going forward the next couple of days. Really no main concerns here as we head towards your Monday, though it will be rather cold across southwest Montana, west central Montana, and down towards Idaho and Lemhi County. And we could maybe build up some potential fog as we head towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as we, again, don't really mix out those lower levels of the atmosphere. We start to accumulate both pollutants and moisture down there. So we're watching that. We also have air stagnation advisories in effect for a pretty good chunk here of western Montana, including right here across Missoula and the Bitterroot Valleys, as well as up there in northwestern Montana. And those go all the way through Friday morning. So we're not expecting really kind of any kind of clearing anytime soon here. As far as our temperatures go, it looks like we are going to stay pretty cold. And in fact, these temperatures here as we head towards the late week, these might not even really represent what's actually going to happen if we have these really strong cold pools in place. We could probably see these temperatures moderating out right around freezing for daytime highs up there in Eureka Glacier National Park. And then most of the area, we're going to start to see those morning lows at least warm up back into the single digits, if not teens, as we head towards Thursday and Friday. And here's kind of the overall trend, just maybe some slight warming as we head towards next weekend. And then we bring on the snow. So obviously it's going to start up first west to east, and that's kind of how we've laid out this list here. So as early Friday morning, we could start to see a couple of snowflakes falling up there in far northwestern Montana, but it's not until Friday night into Saturday where we could start to see that snow trickling down here towards the south into west central Montana and southwest Montana, but really the main focal point is actually beyond this time frame where we could see some more significant snowfall in the Sunday time frame. But this is kind of just to give you an idea of the time frame that we're expecting that snow to really start to kick up. And we're also watching the potential for some really cold air to start to spill in, especially as we head towards Sunday and Monday of next week. This is the probability of an Arctic front, pretty much just a certain parameter for temperatures in the upper levels of the atmosphere creeping into our area. And so as you can see, we have about a 26% chance of that Arctic air mass getting in here to Missoula by Sunday at 11 a.m. And then as we head towards Monday at 5 a.m., those chances start to increase, which is just signifying that better odds for that Arctic air to start to creep into the area as we head towards days 7 and 8. In the outlook, it actually displays this pretty well. This whole pattern change that's coming up, 6 to 10 day outlook for precipitation, featuring a pretty wide swath of above normal conditions here across much of the western U.S. and really into the central part of the U.S. as well. And as we look at the temperatures for the 6 to 10 day outlook, pretty good signal for below normal conditions here across much of the Northwest, including the Northern Rockies. So that's about it. The next briefing will be on Thursday, January 30th. As always, you can give us a call if you have any questions or an email. Those phone number and email are down here at the bottom of the screen. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.